Guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I have a bit of good news for all my Jamaican that has been longing for some good news to come out of Jamaica. And the article says Jamaica Alia Atkinson won the gold medal in the 50-meter breaststroke at the FINA World Short Course Swimming Championships in Hangzhou, China on Wednesday. The world record holder, who celebrated her 30th birthday on Tuesday, came from behind to win at 29.05 seconds. Atkins held off the challenge of the long-time rival Rutu Melutenia, who touched in at 29.38 seconds. Martina Corrigo of Italy won the bronze medal at 29.59 seconds. The Jamaican set a new world record of 28.56 seconds this year, lowering her own mark of 28.64 set in 2016. So not only did she win the gold medal, she also lowered her personal best, which was 28.64 that she set in 2016. She now has a personal best of 28.56. So big up to Alia Atkins. Well done. We're proud. And she has been doing a lot as far as swimming is concerned. She's been winning a lot of medals for Jamaica. Big up to her. Comment what your thoughts are. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.